Hello, happy St David's Day, wherever you are in the world. Dydd Gŵyl Dewi hapus, ble bynnag yn y byd. My name is Gwenno Dafydd and I am America Cymru's St David's Day Ambassador for America Cymru and the world. It's quite an honour, and this is the third year running that I have been invited to be the St David's Day Ambassador. I was invited because of all of the voluntary work I've been doing for the last 14 years to develop all things St David in Wales and in the world. Some of those things are I created and co-wrote an anthem for St David's Day with someone called Thomas, who wrote the music. I have also instigated 3 county banners based on the National St David's Day Anthem. And I also came up with the idea of having little parades around schools, also with school banners with the words and the images of the St David's Day Anthem on these banners, and parading around the school while singing the anthem. Now, the very first of these school banners was in a school called Cwm Gors. Unfortunately, because of the lack of numbers, Cwm Gors closed and all the children went to a school called Gwenno. And this year it was a tremendous honour for me and the children that St Fagans, the National Museum in Wales, decided that they wanted to invite the banner into St Fagans for display, and it will be there for the rest of its days until it falls apart. So the school banner from Ysgol Cwm Gors is now in St Fagans. We had a little ceremony last week and it was televised, and you'll probably see that with this video. Some other things that have been happening is that there are 2 brand new parades in Wales. Last year there were over 20 parades, which is amazing because way back in 2004 there was the National St David's Day Parade. I came on board in 2005. There was also a parade in Wrexham and also in Colwyn Bay, but by now there are way over 20. And it keeps growing every year. So this year, 2 new parades, one in Pontypool and one in Cardigan, to join last year's new parade, which was in Haverfordwest, which had originally 1,500 children who were going to turn up, because we were warned that the snow should keep them away. Then the number dwindled to 450. It's still a very good show. Fair play. So St David's Day celebrations are growing throughout Wales, and I'm hoping that you will have a wonderful celebration. If you want to find out more about the parades in Wales, Gwas Carreg Gwalch have published a book this year which actually details some of the history by now. So these parades have been going for quite some years, and I try and promote as many as I possibly can, but when you get to over 20, it's difficult to remember their names. So wherever you are in the world, I hope you have a great St David's Day celebration. Never forget where you come from. It's a land of wonderful beauty and fabulous people. So don't forget where we are. Come and visit us and have a great St David's Day. Remember, do the small things as St David used to. Diolch yn fawr. Bye bye.